Hi everyone, let's solve this tricky math problem. Please do not start with 8 times 7 and then 8 times 5. That's a no. You start with 7 divided by 5, which is, I don't know. So let's write it in a fraction form, 7 over 5. Next, I'll write the 2 and the 8 in a fraction form as well. So it'll be written 2 over 1 plus 8 over 1 times, we have 7 over 5 divided by, so let's turn this 2 into a fraction as well, 2 over 1. And let's turn this 7 divided by 5 to a fraction as well. So it'll be written 7 over 5 equals. So now we're looking at this math problem. PEMDAS is saying that multiplication goes first. So what is 8 times 7? 56. Good job. And then 1 times 5 is 5. So now I'll erase this and write the 56 over 5 there. And looking at PEMDAS, we're not starting with addition, we're starting with division. So we're going to use the keep, change, flip rule. So we'll keep the 56 over 5. Next, change division to multiplication. And lastly, we're going to flip this 2 over 1. So it'll be written 1 over 2. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Also, don't forget to hit the like button to support. And now I'll continue solving this tricky math problem. So let's go ahead and multiply across. So 56 times 1 is 56 times 7. So 56 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is 39. That's a big number. So our numerator is 392 over. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 5 is 50. And that's a big number. So let's break that down. But I want you to figure out the decimal answer. I'm not going to give you the decimal answer to this math problem. I will give you the, looks like it's an improper fraction answer that we have. But also I'll provide you the mixed number answer. But I want you to figure out the decimal answer to this tricky math problem and put those in the comment section down below. And let's continue solving this math problem. We cannot forget about this 2 over 1. So let me just erase all this here. And let's just put this to the side. So this is 2 over 1 plus. And then let's break this 392 over 50. And let me show you a math trick. So notice that both numbers are even. So let's just half them. So that's a big number to figure out. So just what is half of 300? Let's start there. Half of 300 is 150. What is half of 90? Half of 90 is 45. And what is half of 2? That's 1. So just add these up. 150 plus 45 is 95. 195 plus 1 is 196. 196 over, and then half of 50, that's easy. That's 25. So I'll write 25. And this is your improper fraction answer. Look at that. I gave you the first answer to this tricky math problem. Now, wait, no, we're not done yet. We broke it down, but I almost forgot the 2 over 1 plus. So let's write that here. So we have 1, I erased it. So it's 2 over, let me just write this a little bit lower. 2 over 1 plus 196 over 25. So that is not the answer. We need to add these two fractions, but notice that the denominators are different. So we're going to use the butterfly method. So here is the first wing and the first antenna. So we multiply 2 times 25, which is 50. And then we multiply 1 times 196. That's 196. And then we multiply 1 times 25. So that's 25. So our denominator is 25. And then we add 50 plus 196, which is, let me just do this simple addition. So that's 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. and that's 2. So we have 246 as your numerator, 246, and that cannot be broken down further. So this is your real answer, 246 over 25, and that cannot be broken down further. Next, let's go figure out the mixed number answer, and then you figure out the decimal answer using your long division skills. So I'll write this here, 246 over 25, and then I'll provide you the mixed number answer, and then you tell me the decimal answer in the comment section down below. And again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to support the channel. And if you already did, thank you so much. And don't forget to hit that like button. So here's the long division symbol. And I'll write the 246 inside and the 25 outside. Here's the math trick. We have 100 plus 100 plus 46. So we know we can fit 25 into 46 one time. And we can fit 25 into 100 4 times 2, because there's 200. We can fit that 25 into 200 8 times plus one more, which is in the 46. So we can fit 25 into 246 9 times, and 9 times 25 is 225, right? Because that's the amount of time we can fit 25 into 246 9 times, so it's 225. And then we subtract, so 246 minus 225 is 21. And so your mixed number answer is the whole number, and the remainder goes above the fraction bar, and the 25 goes below the fraction bar. And there you go. This is your mixed number answer, and the 21 over 25 cannot be broken down further. And then the improper fraction answer is 246 over 25. And now you figure out the decimal answer using your math skills. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to put your answers, your decimal answers, in the comment section down below. Bye. See you in the next video.